So starting the test drive in this 25 Trailblazer, the 1.3 liter turbo 3, decent pickup. You kind of have to get used to the sound you get from the engine. It kind of sounds like it's a diesel, but I like it. So pickup's pretty good. Again, with a 1.3 liter. Can't really tell a difference, at least I can with a 1.2, but I'm gonna try and give myself some space and then give it a quick pull here. Here we go. So it wasn't flooring it, but still impressive acceleration again for this to be a turbocharged 3-cylinder. And I love, it's almost exhilarating pulling when you feel the turbocharger kick in. But ride quality here is very good. On this stretch of interstate is pretty smooth, but still not a lot of play here. Road noise is minimal. And the wind noise in here, the acoustics within the cabin are pretty good too. But I love how this one is equipped. The blind spot monitors certainly help. And it's just a nice, smooth ride. Now, in terms of the price point, I think it's pretty reasonable for what you get. Being under 30 grand, all-wheel drive. And people like to trash these engines because it has 3 cylinders as opposed to 4 or whatever. But I know a lot of these vehicles that are used for specifically fleet purposes, or people use them for work, leave them running all the time, and they have no issues out of them. But if that's a concern for you, having the engine and transmission, this one having a 9-speed, Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro does offer a lifetime powertrain warranty on this, so, and all of their new vehicles actually. So if for whatever reason the engine fails or the transmission fails, as long as you keep up with the maintenance schedule, you get it replaced, and it's just I think a $100 deductible. So it's just an added benefit of buying from this dealer in particular. But if you're not wanting to come out this far and you're looking to get the best price on something in your area, just click on that link down below. It takes a minute to fill out the information, and I'll make sure your local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on any new vehicle that you're interested in. But in the Trailblazer, you can find these at a slight discount depending on where you look. And on top of that, the sticker price isn't that bad either. So I mean, even if you pay sticker for it, it's not going to be the end of the world. It's still relatively inexpensive transportation for what you get. And again, if you get something with a lifetime powertrain warranty, you can run this thing into the ground. And again, keep up with the maintenance, you can get everything replaced. But that's offered because most of these vehicles, if you maintain them, they're not going to just crap out on you. But I do like having everything that's here. I like having the all-wheel drive so I can get the 9-speed automatic. Love having the wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I would opt for adaptive cruise control personally, but it's not a must. But I love having the blind spot monitors. I would definitely make sure I had those, but again, that's just personal preference. And heated seats, I don't really use them that much, so I'm not missing that either. Now, if it had cool seats, that would be nice. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this new 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LS with all-wheel drive.